Welcome to Instant Cooking. To make best out of waste, today I am making spinach stem chila, or you can say spinach stem omelette. So what are the other ingredients? Let me tell you. Dry mango powder, turmeric, garam masala, salt, ginger paste, carom seed, dried fenugreek leaf, gram flour, sugar and turmeric pulp, and a pinch of asafoetida powder. So take the stem, put them into a grinder and make a fine puree. Now in a bowl, take gram flour, add 1 pinch of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of dry mango powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of carom seed, 1 pinch of asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Mix them well. Now add the stem paste or stem puree. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger paste. Add 2 teaspoon of turmeric pulp. Mix them well. Make a smooth batter. Now in a frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now add the batter. Cover it and leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, very carefully flip it, cover it again and leave it for half a minute. And after half a minute, your very tasty and very interesting spinach stem chila is ready. Thank you.